be. There is something about their God they know that we do not know.
Look.
Wait a minute! Look! This is strange! What?
Chief Mika, Chief Abenu, Chief Jasu are walking in the fire.
This is breaking news. What seems to be a miracle is happening in the palace right now as I speak. Apparently, Chief Shazu, Chief Mika, and Chief Abenu, who were earlier on thrown in the fire, are seen walking in the fire. Oh wait, the king is about to make a statement.
Chief Bako, didn't we only throw the chiefs in the furnace? Isn't the furnace hot at all? How come they're walking in the furnace like it's not hot? Kadogo!
Yes, Your Highness.
Didn't I tell you to turn the furnace 7 times hotter?
Your Majesty, the furnace is actually in its maximum state, more than 7 times hotter.
But why are the chiefs walking in the furnace like it's not hot at all?
That's strange! What's happening in the fire?
What? Someone is walking in the fire together with the chiefs.
I told you, those 3 worship the only true God.
Chiefs. Moyo. Didn't we only throw 3 chiefs into the furnace?
Yes, Your Majesty, there are only 3.
But how come there appears a 4th?
Your Majesty, I just don't understand what is going on.
And the 4th looks like a son of a god. This must be a miracle.
Apparently, a 4th person has emerged in the fire. According to the king, he looks like the son of God. But no one seems to understand exactly what is happening. And we expect the king to say something about this. Hey.
Mandoloko yodo. Chief Shazu, Chief Mika, and Chief Abenu, servants of the Most High God, come out of the fiery furnace. Mandoloko. Chief, come and witness this with your own eyes. Chief. Blessed be the God of Chief Shazu, Chief Mika, and Chief Abenu, who has sent forth his angel and delivered them from the fiery furnace. For they chose not to serve any other God except the one true God. Hey! People of Aquila, I make a decree. If anyone speaks anything blasphemous against the God of these three chiefs, they shall be immediately thrown into the fiery furnace. For there is no other God who can save like the God of Chief Shazu, Chief Mika, and Chief Abeno. For he alone is the God of the heavens and the earth. For no other God can save like him. People of Akwara, we only worship this true God. I therefore make a decree that there is no other God except the God of these three chiefs. I proclaim that image God whose wrong must come down. For there is no other God except the true living God. Image God whose wrong must come down. For there is no other God who can save in such a way. For he alone is God. Image God whose wrong must come down. For he is the God of the heavens, the true God, the God of the earth.